Hi TechStars, I'm Dennis, CEO at Sequoia, and here is our product demo. But first, meet Steve. He's 33, newly married, and struggling with erectile dysfunction. Although he's hesitant visiting the doctor, he searches for solutions and finds Sequoia. He downloads our app and passes initial screening survey, then receive the health report and 21-day personalized improvement plan. Each day, he performs 3 exercises and field tracker. Based on tracker data, app provide tailored content that matches with his daily health condition. So you can see this recommendation. In 21 days, Steve are able to retake this test, see measurable improvements, and can start a new course. If Steve needs more personalization, he can request online consultation at any time. The doctor will have access to his tracker data, see the whole picture, and provide smarter and more personalized advice. So Steve also can read more about different aspects of male sexuality and learn about the tests that have to be done on a regular basis in his age. According to our latest survey, 79% of Sequoia users witness remarkable improvements in their overall sexual health in just 30 days. And let's see some testimonials. I've got first positive signs of my sexual improvements in just after 3 weeks of use. One more, a must-have app for anyone looking to enhance their sexual health and satisfaction. And last but not least, I've seen remarkable improvements in stamina and erections. Highly recommended. Super. You probably heard about Flow, a unicorn app for women's sexual health. We are building the same unicorn, but for male sexual health. And we won't stop until every man on earth will have the best sexual performance and feel no shame about sexual dysfunction. And we invited you to join us to this journey. Hope you will accept our invitation. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.